Hi.
Hey, you've ordered dosa.
Yeah. So, what do you remember from dosa?
Thinking about dosa, there are few brands that come to my mind.
One of the most famous brand is MTR Foods. As we say in Kannada, ಊಟ ಒಂದು ದೇವರು ಕೊಟ್ಟಂತ ವರದಾನ. Food is a blessing given by God. ಎಲ್ಲರಿಗೂ ನಮಸ್ಕಾರ. ನನ್ನ ಹೆಸರು ಅನನ್ಯ ಕುಲಕರ್ಣಿ. Welcome to this episode of Brand Kathegalu, and today's story is about MTR Foods. And trust me, their story is as flavorful as their masalas. MTR began way back in 1924, almost 100 years ago in Bengaluru. Two brothers, Parampalli Yagnanarayan Maya and Parampalli Gopal Maya, started a small restaurant called the Mavali Tiffin Rooms. That's right, MTR is short for Mavali Tiffin Rooms. Back then, it wasn't just an eatery, it was a place where food met tradition. Imagine stepping inside, the air filled with the aroma of fresh filter coffee, the sizzling sounds of dosas crisping on tawas, and families seated on wooden benches waiting for their steaming hot meals. MTR wasn't just serving food, it was serving experiences. But here's when the story gets interesting. During World War II, when there was a shortage of rice, most restaurants struggled, but MTR innovated. They then created the now iconic Rava Idli using semolina instead of rice. It wasn't just a dish, it was an innovation served on plate. And now, Rava Idli has become a staple across India. Fast forward to 1975, when India declared emergency. Restaurants were ordered to sell food at lower prices, so low that it wasn't sustainable. So instead of compromising on taste and quality, MTR decided to temporarily shut down their restaurants and pivot towards something bigger. They then started selling packaged spice powders, rasam mixes, and ready-to-eat meals. And that's how MTR Foods was born as a brand. Now their sambar powders, rasam mixes, and instant upmas weren't just served in Bangalore. They traveled across India. And yes, even as MTR grew as a global food giant, they still run their legendary Mavali Tiffin Rooms in Bengaluru, which is now considered a pilgrimage spot for foodies. People line up for hours together to taste the same old Rava Idli, same dosas and same filter coffee recipes that haven't changed in decades. Remember, it's not just instant food. It's a story of resilience, innovation, and almost a century of serving happiness. MTR, taste the tradition. Thank you.